Look out, Kip. Don't hit the television.
Off you go!
It's okay, dogs. Back up. Yeah, I'd get out of the way if I were you. It's alright. Relax, Rick. Relax. I know. You've been disturbed from your slumber.
Yeah, I know. I can't. Where's the thing? Oh, there it is.
Alright, this is for real now. So don't hit the TV and hit him in red.
Ouch! Don't step on
Well,
me.
you know, look out, bud.
I like this.
We should start on the slice.
I have to hit the A thing again, huh?
You should be close.
See ya.
Okay.
How's that from the back? You got that
Well,
video?